Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the heater blower motor on Audi A6 C6 4F. The heater blower motor on this car is located in the engine compartment. It's located behind the engine. It's located right there, just underneath this plastic cover. First we need to remove this plastic cover and then we'll have access to the heater blower motor housing. Now we have access to the heater blower motor housing. That's the housing right there. First we need to remove the cover of the housing, but to remove the cover first we need to remove the windscreen wipers and also this plastic cover underneath them. The windscreen wipers are held by two nuts that we need to remove. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Once we remove the nuts, we're going to put them back on a little bit, only screw them a little bit, and then I'm going to use locking pliers to release the windscreen wipers. I have a video on my channel of exactly how to release the windscreen wipers. Here you can see how it's done, but more descriptive video I have on my channel. Now that the two wipers are released, I'm going to remove the two nuts and remove the wipers. That's the two wipers removed. Next I'm going to remove this plastic cover. To remove that cover we need to lift it up, don't pull it. We need to lift it up, put your hand underneath and just pull it up. You need to pull it up somewhere on one side, like somewhere in the middle. You just put your hand in there and push it up, and once it separates from one side, then you're going to pull it up all the way. There is also a bolt holding it that I just removed, and now we can take out this plastic cover. Next I'm going to remove this heater blower motor housing cover. It's held by a couple of bolts, about 4 or 5 bolts that we need to remove. These are all the bolts that we need to remove, one there. Once we remove all those bolts, we can lift up that cover. That's all the bolts removed. Now we can lift up the cover. And now we have access to the heater blower motor. First we're going to remove the resistor. To remove the resistor we're going to remove that electrical connector, only that one, and it's held by two bolts, that resistor onto the heater blower motor. We need to remove those two bolts. To remove that electrical connector, there's two tabs on the two sides. You just need to press them and then pull it out. That's the two bolts holding the resistor removed. Now I'm going to take it out and move it to the side. If you want to replace that resistor, just get a screwdriver and remove the other electrical connector, and then you can replace it. Next, we need to remove the leg on that actuator in the back, that white leg, and also we need to remove all the bolts for holding the heater blower motor. There is 2 on the back and 3 on the front. I'm trying to show you a closer view of them, but you'll see exactly where I'm going to remove those bolts. First, I'm going to try to remove the actuator leg, so we're going to put our screwdriver in between the leg and the actuator, and then there is 2 taps on that actuator that need to be pressed so that it's released, and then we can lift it up. Here you can see the actuator is separated. Next, I'm going to remove the electrical connector for that actuator, and then I'm going to remove the 5 bolts holding the heater blower motor. I'm going to remove those wires that are holding on to the heater blower motor, so that you can take it out afterwards, and also to make space to remove the other bolts. That's all the bolts removed now. Now I can take out the heater blower motor. That's it out. And now I can replace it with a new one. Putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. Here I'll show you all the 5 bolts that I removed. 1, 2, 4 on 2 on the front and 1 on the side. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.